Hello to all the lovely kids. Today we are going to start our new chapter at our points. In this chapter we will know about money. What is money? Money is a medium of exchange. We use money for buying goods. Children, did you know in earlier days people used barter system to buy or sell goods. They used to exchange one good for another. Later, currencies and coins were introduced. Different countries have different currencies, and in our country, the unit of money is rupee. We express the Indian money in terms of rupees and paise. We use RS to write rupees, RE to write rupee, and P to write paise. Our Indian government has introduced the symbol for denoting rupees. Let's know about currency notes of our country. This is a 2000 rupee note. This is a 500 rupee note. Now this is a 200 rupee note. This is a 100 rupee note. This is a 50 rupee note. This is a 20 rupee note. And the last one, this is a 10 rupee note. Now come to know about currency coins of India, and these are 10 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. Children, did you know rupees 5, rupees 2 and rupee 1 notes are not in circulation. Coins of 5 paise, 10 paise, 20 paise, 25 paise and 50 paise are not in circulation. Let's know about denomination of rupees. 1 2000 rupee note equals to 4 500 rupee notes. 1 500 rupee note equals to 500 rupee notes. 1 200 rupee note equals to 200 rupee notes. 100 rupee note equals to 250 rupee notes. 150 rupee note equals to 5 10 rupee notes. 120 rupee note equals to 2 10 rupee notes. Now come to the questions, and our first question is use given coins to buy the following things. Children, as you can see, 5 coins are given below. 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin, 50 paise coin and 25 paise coin. Children, to buy an eraser we need rupees 6 and we can use only given coins. So we will use one 5 rupee coin and one 1 rupee coin and it will be rupees 6. Cost of a pencil is 8 rupees 50 paise. So to buy a pencil we need rupees 8 and paise 50 and we can use only given coins. So we will use one 5 rupee coin, one 2 rupee coin, one 1 rupee coin and paise 50. Now come to the next question. Given below are some objects and their prices. Cost of a dairy milk is rupees 10. Cost of a sharpener is rupees 4. Cost of a pencil is rupees 5. Cost of a balloon is rupees 6. Cost of a ball is rupees 3. Cost of a bat is rupees 8. After knowing the above objects and prices, we need to fill in the blanks. For rupees 15, I can buy which object? Yes, I can buy a chocolate and a pencil because cost of a chocolate is rupees 10 and cost of a pencil is rupees 5. To buy a balloon and a bat, how much amount I need? So First of all, find out what is the cost of a balloon and a bat. Cost of a balloon is rupees 6 and cost of a bat is rupees 8. So I need rupees 14. For rupees 17, I can buy a bat, a ball and a balloon. How? Because cost of a bat is rupees 8, cost of a balloon is rupees 6 and cost of a ball is rupees 3. If we will add these three amount, we will get rupees 17. For rupees 12, I can buy a sharpener and a bat because cost of a sharpener is rupees 4 and cost of a bat is rupees 8. If we will add these two amount, so the answer will be rupees 12. To buy all the things, I need how much amount? So, to find this amount, we need to add all the given prices of objects. If we will add all the prices, it will be rupees 36. So, I need rupees 36 to buy all the given objects. Till now, take care, my dear kids. Enjoy your math subject. Have a nice day.